Hi viewers, I'm Sofia and my Dreame username is Sofia PHR. I'm a Filipino writer and I have several English and Filipino stories on Dreame. And I'm also the admin of Dreame.com Stories Philippines. I'm optimizing it, so soon we will promote Filipino writers and their stories. Everyone is welcome to join, of course. For today, we will discuss how to earn coins in Dreame. There are two types of stories in Dreame. The first one are the free stories, where you don't need coins to finish it. The second one are the VIP stories. These stories have locked chapters and you need coins to unlock them. There are two ways on how to get those coins. First one is to buy it through PayPal, and the other one is to earn them. So I'll teach you how to earn those coins for free. Are you ready? First thing that you will do is to make sure that you have your Dreame app. There's a link below on there's a link the caption that you can use to install the app. Once installed, you go to your profile, then you will see the earn rewards button. Click the earn rewards button, then you will see the different tasks that you have to fulfill just to get those coins, to earn those coins. There, let's browse it. Okay, this is my mom's newly installed account, so let's see. I think it's cool that just by reading the stories you will gain more coins, so just keep on reading. By the way, for those who are wondering which stories they can read to gain those points, you can try Moonlight Bride. Just check if it's the Filipino or the English version, so you can have more time reading free stories. Include mine on your library. You've probably seen this on Dreame app, so you can get 100 points by joining Dreame Home group on Facebook and answering the survey. I have the link of the survey below, and in 2 days you will get coins on your account. If you have problems in claiming, just email support@dreame.com. Guys, you can earn rewards every day. You just need to log in and do the tasks. Are those enough for you? No, not enough coins yet? How about 9,000 coins or more? Do you think that's good enough to read those stories? Yup, Dreame gave me more than 9,000 coins just by inviting my friends alone using the special link. Isn't it cool? So, where can you find your special link? Then, let's go to the earn rewards. Then, look for invite your friends. Of course, you can only see 5 bonus for this. Click to complete. Wait, there's more. You copy the link. Then share it to WhatsApp or Facebook or to anywhere you can share it, or you encourage people to download the app. Indicated here is the number of people you invited and the bonus you earned. For the influencers, there's special rewards. Who are the influencers? Usually those are the contract writers of Dreame, but you must ask your editor to activate your influencer status, because sometimes they only recognize like 10 invites. So imagine that, 10 invites a day What if I already invited more than 10? Sometimes it's not included on the tally, the digital tally. So better ask your editor to upgrade you to influencer status, because if you invite 50 people you get 499 more bonus. If you invite 100 people you get 899 more coins, and if you invite 200 people you get 1699 more coins. So imagine that's a lot of stories to unlock. Oh my gosh, that's paradise, right? So there are several rules, however, and you must read it here. Invitation recipients will be marked as new users only when it is their first time to download and log into Dreame application on their phone. It means when they are already registered before this. If they did not register through the app or to the special link, then you can't get any bonus. The people you have invited must log into Dreame with their Facebook or Google account before you can claim your reward. You will be rewarded for the first 10 new users successfully invited each day, with a maximum amount that you can claim being 4,000 bonus. Wow! There's a validity period for each amount of bonus sent to you. It means there's an expiry date for every coins that you get, so you must use those coins. I know it looks good looking how many coins you have, but you have to use it up or else it would go to waste. The bonus will be sent to you automatically by system with a pop-up notification. Dreame may adjust the reward structure depending on the performance of the event and reserves the right of final interpretation. This event will end as soon as 1 million bonus or completely split. There. So there's a time limit for this. Once of the 1 million coins are distributed, then no more coins. Okay, well, it doesn't happen yet, so let's still keep on collecting, keep on inviting friends. In the event that you are discovered culpable of misconduct or cheating, Dreame has the right to disable your account and any rewards you may have accrued. Punishable actions include but are not limited to using the same phone to log in different accounts, using any suspended accounts or phones to log into Dreame, and using simulators. So be careful with those. And another thing, just be careful in posting on other reading platforms like Wattpad, because you might be violating the community rules. So better safe than sorry, guys. Make sure that there's no conflict of interest on where you are inviting your friends. So make sure it's a safe zone, where it's safe to invite friends on that specific platform. So I hope that our lesson for today is, I hope the tutorial for today is helpful, and go ahead, start inviting your friends, and use your charm, use your persuasive powers to invite them so they will download the app. And if you have any questions, please don't forget to, if you have any questions, just comment below. And thank you for watching. Please follow me, Sofia PHR, on Dreame, and also Dreame.com Stories Philippines on Facebook. Have a great day, everyone. Until our next tutorial. Bye.